At times you might be in a situation where you want to lower climbers to the ground just simply to get access. Maybe somebody who you're climbing with is not so sure of themselves abseiling, so you decide to lower them down from the top. Using a normal belay device, we can just lower our climber down to the ground using our device. But the problem with this situation is if I was to let go of the rope, get stung by a bee, snake comes and bites me, whatever, if I let go of this rope, the climber will fall. So how can we safeguard a lower? Simply by taking a prussic and attaching it to the rope that we are holding. We can use almost any prussic knot here. I prefer to use the clem heist in this situation. Your instructor might show you a different method. We attach a clem heist, then attach the prussic to my harness. I can now continue lowering and just continue to pull the prussic backwards, and I can lower to the ground. Should something happen that I let go of the rope, the prussic will hold and prevent the climber falling to the ground. Performing a lower, you don't need to have a belay device in place to perform the lower. We can use a friction hitch, which is just as efficient, but again I must have the prussic knot in place to act as the backup or the third hand, and then when I start to lower the climber, I just simply pull back on the prussic and I can lower the climber to the ground with no danger of me letting go and them falling.